See, the biggest thing is the information asymmetry. What I mean by that is the fact that you thrive on the fact that other person doesn't know, and this asymmetry in the information gives you. There is actually, you don't provide any value. You just hold the information to yourself, and because of that, you can create a perception that it's much more valuable. So I'll give you a very from your own business line. Earlier. Racy cases, Pattabhiram used to write. Okay, fantastic. You take a concept which is business concept. Okay, you kind of make it very simple. All of a sudden, the asymmetry is gone. Okay, or simple economics. You take something which happens on a day-to-day life, and then elevate it to a level of a knowledge. Subsequently, which you can use it. Today, what we are finding is the internet. It's making the information asymmetry go away so fast. A lot of parents, when they complain that they are not able to keep up with the children, it is just because they are too lazy to go and touch the web. They think that the keyboard will come and bite them. No, it doesn't. Okay, it's just a program. And this abolishment of the information asymmetry is causing such a rapid change that it is not actually disturbing the thing, when all the things are running towards a point wherein they go to their fundamentals. Okay, asymmetry causes, if I want to use a very science-looking sounding metaphor, you spend all the energy to stay afloat. Okay, that's not your natural state, but you got to spend all the energy. That the energy is the condition you put in to keep the asymmetry. Once you take it away, then you have to stand on the ground. Okay, and that is exactly like one other thing you showed me, wherein somebody was saying that people will have better appreciation for the environment if they do their meetings out there in the open. Okay, essentially you take the barrier which is actually artificial to begin with, and you take it away. All of a sudden it becomes different. So today, in today's world, what we are seeing, internet and now the entire communication technology, information and communication technology bringing in, is the asymmetry is vanishing so fast that we are in for a lot more changes. My belief is it's all for good. Whenever the change happens, it will be disturbing because it is not the same. But I believe it is all for good because we'll go towards a state wherein it will be natural, and fairness will prevail, quality will show. You're not a bigger guy because somebody told you. You got to stand on both the legs and be judged minute by minute. So that's going to be very interesting.